All right, so now that we've got the floor, the first piece cut out, I flipped it over. This will be the bottom side. This will be the side that looks down. I got a quart of resin. I haven't activated it yet with catalyst. I'm gonna take a roller, and all we're gonna do is saturate this wood. That way the bottom is not gonna be just bare wood. It actually have a resin-based coating on it, and it'll wick the water if there's any water ever gets on it. Let's go ahead and catalyze our resin, and we'll lay it down. It's pretty warm today. It's about 85 degrees. I put about 23 cc's. We're gonna work pretty fast. Put a good heavy coat. Be sure to get all the edges wet. Get all your edges again. Edges are going to soak up a lot of resin because the wood's pretty dry. Be looking for any dry spots along the way as it starts to soak it in. That's what you want to see. You want to see it start soaking the resin in. That way it gets deep into the wood. And it gets in there and hardens. Keeps the water off of it. I can feel my cup starting to warm up in my hand. Same thing over here, get all your edges good. Good amount on the bottom is fine. More the better. So we'll let this dry, and then we'll flip it over, and then we'll set it down on the floor of the boat. We'll glue it in and then screw it. Also, that way it'll be a good fit to the stringers of the boat. We're gonna glue it down with liquid nail, a real good heavy layer of liquid nail on top of the stringers. That way the board or the wood will never pop or creak. So when we screw it down, it'll suck down real good and tight against the stringers. This is really good coverage. It feels good. Wet the edges again till the wood's soaking up and up. That's what you want to see. You want this resin to permeate inside that wood as much as it can. Yeah, that looks real good. I'm gonna move this board where it lay flat in this boat. There we go. Put the rest of this resin on. Looking good, guys, looking good. This is good insurance for you right here. A lot of manufacturers won't do this with wood floors. They'll just cut the wood out, slap the wood in, leave the bottom just bare wood, exposed to the moist, humid atmosphere of the boat. And that's why your floors start rotting out. And that's why we're here today, putting another floor in this boat. But, you know, I can't complain. This boat is 20-something years old. It's a long time before it needed a floor job. Good heavy coverage. Let me go back over to the other side. Get my edges. All looks real good, guys. Let the rest of that drain. All right, that's gonna be it for this video series. The next one I'll show you when we start putting the floor down. We'll, like I said, put the liquid nail down on top of the stringers, and we'll screw the floor down first pass. It'll be nice and tight. Right now, I'm just gonna let this dry. It's starting to harden. I appreciate if you'd like and subscribe to my videos. It helps me out a lot. Keeps me motivated to make more videos for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Write it in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer back to you. And I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you very much.